the morning here. We've had some torrential downpours. Most of you have had the same rains we've had. They're all over the country. I'm Tiger Cat and I are gonna go check on the equipment. Make sure it's not underwater. We've had a couple inches, I'd say, pretty fast, and we're close to some blue line streams, so we're gonna run and just make sure that we haven't lost everything, which I don't think we have, but I feel a little better checking on it. Well, it's not over this bridge yet, and this is usually one of the first places it floods, so that's a good sign. You stay here. Stay. Quite a bit more water than what I expected. Glad I wore my boots, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to get wet here. He's moving fast. Surely the Tiger Cat's okay. The cut machine's okay. I don't know about that skidder there. Knuckle boom seems alright. Gets to the knuckle boom, it's we're in bad shape. No easy way to do it. Just get out there. It's already in my boots. Woo! That is cold. That is cold, my friend. Better leave my iPhone here too. Good grief, that's cold. this one will even start. We haven't used this in I can't remember the last time we started, a month or so the battery might be dead. We're gonna try and find out. Well, it makes for some great footage, but I'd much rather just stayed in bed, or at least stayed up drinking coffee. I don't even know if the keys are in this thing. I think it'd be alright. I really need to, if the keys are in it, I'll go ahead and move it. Guys, I got lucky. If this water keeps coming up another hour or so, I might have been in some real trouble. You can see the force. It's coming down this creek, and this whole farm here, it's a 115 acre farm. We're at the lowest point. Basically, all the water is coming down this hill, coming across our road, and then help fill in this basin. Of course, the water from the creek is also coming this way. But yeah, I got lucky. I really almost didn't even come. I did not expect this. I mean, I knew the water would be up, but I didn't think it would be this bad. But it is. This could have turned into a very bad weekend for me. Got lucky that it didn't. These storms came in about, I don't know, I was up 5:45, 6 o'clock when they probably started coming in pretty good. If it would have happened at 1 o'clock in the morning or 2 o'clock in the morning and it's still pitch black out, it could have been a different story. I'm freaking soaked. My boots are literally completely full. I don't even know if I can get this one off or not. I should have known better. I had a feeling that I should put the equipment in a different spot when we left Thursday. But like I said, we got lucky. Now I'm headed home. I'm going to finish my coffee. Tiger Cat, you ready to go home? Let's go home. Let's go home, huh? Get up here. Get up here. Let's go home. Thank y'all for watching. I'd love it if you'd go to youtube.com, go to my channel, our channel, search Chad Kemper or Poor Boys Logging, click subscribe. Appreciate it.